Conduction. Objective: to learn about transfer of heat through conduction. Thermometer measures the change in temperature of a body, which is the effect of movement of energy, specifically heat energy. Let us learn how heat energy moves from one point to another. Take a container and heat it in a furnace. At first, the base gets heated up. Upon continuous exposure in the furnace, the heat gets gradually transferred to the sides of the pan, making the whole pan red hot. Although only the base is directly exposed to the flame, eventually the whole pan gets heated up due to transfer of heat from its base to the other parts. When aluminium is put in the pan, transfer of heat from the hot pan to the metal heats it beyond its melting point. So we can conclude that heat flows from hotter region to colder region. In fact, when the molten metal is transferred to the mold, the metal cools down, making it hard again. Even in this case, heat flowed from a hot region to a cold region. The process by which heat is transferred from the hotter end of an object to its colder end is known as conduction. This is a very common mode of transfer of heat in solids. To learn about conduction, let us perform a simple activity. Take an iron rod fixed to a stand at a certain height and some iron nails. Attach few iron nails to the iron rod with the help of a wax, equidistant from each other. Light a candle and place it at the position such that its flame is touching the open end of the rod. After some time, you can see that the first iron nail from the open end falls down. As time progresses, the nail starts falling from the rod one by one. It shows that the heat had traveled from the burning end to the other end gradually, that is, from hotter end to colder end. All solids do not conduct heat at the same rate. Variety of objects kept in hot water are heated to a different degree in the same period. The material which allows heat to pass through them easily are conductors of heat. Generally, metals like aluminium, copper, and iron are conductors of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are poor conductors of heat. They are known as insulators. Plastic, wood, and styrofoam are some of the insulators which are used to prevent heat transfer. Fluids, like liquids and gases, are poor conductors of heat. How heat transfers takes place in these substances will be discussed in the upcoming topics.